welcome back to Instructoid. Last time we talked about what kind of RAM we should get for our computer. Now, it's time to put it in. First things first, start off with a clear, uncluttered surface, preferably a table or a desk. Next, to prevent electrostatic discharge, roll up your sleeves and put on a wrist strap, attaching the other end of the cable to a grounded surface such as the computer case. Before we start working on the computer, shut it down completely and remove any and all cables and peripherals. Next, close the laptop, flip it over carefully, and remove the battery. The battery will usually be locked in place with a sliding lock mechanism or a couple of screws. Next, remove the plate covering the memory slots. This plate will usually be held in place with a combination of screws and clips. Consult your manual to find out exactly where the memory slots are and which plates you need to remove to access them. When you've uncovered the memory slots, you will find two retaining arms at the ends of each RAM chip. Pull these arms apart to release the chip. Then, pull the RAM chip straight out. Insert the new chip at a 30-degree angle into the slot. Then, rotate it downward to lock it in place. Now, reattach the cover plate, screw in the screws, and reinsert the battery. Finally, turn the computer back on and verify that the RAM has been properly recognized by the system. As before, turn off the computer and detach any and all cables. Then, starting with the computer facing you, turn it counterclockwise and lay it down carefully onto its side. Next, remove the screws holding the side panel in place and remove the side panel. You should find the RAM chips located between the processor fan and the hard drive bays. If you need to, detach a few cables to allow a clear path to the RAM chips. Just be sure to label them so that you reconnect them correctly when you're done. Once again, you will find retaining clips holding the RAM chips in place. Pull these outward to remove the RAM chips. Again, being careful to line up the notches, press the new RAM chips straight down firmly into their slots, and make sure that the retaining clips are re-engaged. Finally, reattach the cables and replace the panel. Again, you'll want to turn on the computer and verify that the system has recognized the RAM. Well, there you have it. You just replaced the RAM in your own computer. With that extra table space, your computer will see a major improvement in processing speed. Now next time we're going to talk about operating systems, 64-bit versus 32-bit, Vista versus 7. Please join me, and thanks for watching Instructoids.